Hello, my name is Attila Römer. I'm one of the managing directors of Metirionic. Our company is focusing on wireless distance measurement. We are able to use Bluetooth devices for distance and angle measurement. We are licensing that as a technology product to our companies. We have also several products here that we showcase. We provide, in addition to the technology license, also engineering services so that you have a quick design in of our technology into your products.
My name is Maria Merlan. I'm Product Marketing Manager at Metirionic. Our product, Metirionic Advanced Ranging Stack, enables distance and angle information of any sensor in a wireless network. Because of the uniqueness of the implementation of our solution, we can provide the location of an asset very accurately, centimeter accuracy, but more important, we can cover the largest coverage in the least time. And this is crucial for critical applications like fire and rescue or industrial safety. We have use cases like avalanche rescue, so our technology can go through snow and through concrete. We help firefighters in the field, and these are some of the critical applications that we've got. In industrial safety, there is also a wide range of applications. You can prevent injuries or accidents in the workplace by providing real-time visibility of the risk areas. And you can track your personnel and your assets so that you ensure safety in the work environment.
Hi, I'm Rainer Iran, Head of Sales of Metirionic. We focus a lot since 10 years about safety applications like safe wireless remote controls or for search and rescue applications. And now for the first time we show our technology integrated into Bluetooth devices. This means it is a very huge market because Bluetooth is everywhere.
The company is 10 years old, and I think even that is a success. And my goal for the future is that we continue with that story, how we started from a proprietary technology that is now moving towards standardization in Bluetooth. And I am really excited, and I wish that I can see that technology getting wider into the market and that Metirionic can support other customers that are interested in that market as well, to support them build the products and let the technology grow in the market.